Millions of bamboo plants grow in carefully managed forests across Asia. These fast-growing plants provide one of the world's most renewable natural resources for producing soft towels and luxurious bed linen. Before harvesting begins, experts inspect each bamboo grove.
We check each stalk, only the mature ones are selected.
Mature stalks, 3 to 5 years old, have the strongest fibers.
These fibers are ideal for choice of high-quality textile materials.
Workers and harvesting machines cut the mature bamboo close to the ground. Unlike ordinary trees, bamboo quickly grows back from its underground roots, making it an environmentally friendly resource. The trucks deliver thousands of bamboo stalks to the factory every day. Here, the incredible transformation from raw bamboo into soft textile fibers officially begins. Automated scanners and factory workers inspect every bamboo stalk. Damaged or poor quality pieces are removed. Only the best bamboo continues to the next stage. Clean bamboo stalks are automatically fed into the industrial chipper. Powerful rotating blades quickly prepare the bamboo for fiber extraction. The continuous process efficiently transforms raw bamboo into chips. Inside the chipper, the bamboo is cut into thousands of small, uniform chips. These chips provide a larger surface area, making the next processing stage much more efficient. The bamboo chips first enter these vibrating screens. The vibration separates the chips by size, allowing dust and fragments to fall through. Next, the chips move into the air separators. Here, air blows away the remaining light particles, ensuring only clean chips continue. The clean bamboo chips are collected in large storage silos before moving to the cooking tanks, where they will be transformed into soft bamboo pulp for textile production. A carefully controlled processing solution is added to the bamboo chips. Combined with heat and pressure, it helps separate the natural cellulose fibers from the bamboo. The digesters operate at high temperatures for several hours. During this process, the bamboo softens and gradually transforms into a thick, fiber-rich pulp. After cooking, the pulp moves through powerful separators. The cellulose fibers are separated from the remaining material, creating the foundation for soft bamboo foul fabric. The bamboo pulp is washed several times with clean water. This removes any remaining processing solution and leaves the fibers cleaner and purer. The purified bamboo pulp is collected in large storage tanks. It is now ready to be processed into fine textile fibers that will eventually become soft towels and comfortable bed linen. The solution passes through ultra-fine filters that remove even the smallest impurities. This ensures the finished fibers will be smooth, soft, and consistent. The filtered solution is forced through thousands of tiny spinneret holes. As it exits, it forms long, continuous bamboo fibers, similar to strands of silk. The newly formed fibers pass through special treatment baths. This process strengthens the fibers and improves their durability for weaving. The fibers are thoroughly washed with clean water to remove any remaining processing chemicals, ensuring they are clean and ready for textile production. This rinsing process is essential for producing high quality, safe for the next stage.
Warm air dryers gently remove moisture from the bamboo fibers. The drying process prepares them for spinning into high-quality yarn.
The finished bamboo fibers are wound onto giant industrial spools. These rolls are then transported to the spinning department, where they will become soft bamboo yarn for towels and bed linen. Large rolls of bamboo fibers are loaded into automated spinning machines. The fibers are carefully guided into the production line to begin the yarn-making process. Special combing machines straighten and align thousands of tiny fibers. This creates a smooth, even strand that produces softer and stronger yarn. High-speed spinning frames twist the aligned fibers together. This twisting process gives the bamboo yarn its strength, flexibility, and durability. Electronic sensors continuously monitor the yarn for thickness, strength, and uniformity. Any defective section is removed automatically to maintain premium quality. This process ensures a flawless and reliable product. The bamboo yarn is now ready for industrial weaving machines, where thousands of threads will be woven together to create soft, breathable fabric for towels and bed linen. Thousands of bamboo yarn cones are loaded onto automated weaving machines. Each thread is carefully positioned to ensure smooth, continuous fabric production. The warp threads are stretched tightly across the industrial loom. Proper tension is essential for producing fabric with a consistent weave and high durability. As the fabric leaves the loom, high-speed cameras scan it for broken threads, weaving defects, or imperfections. Any faulty sections are immediately marked for removal. This automated process ensures consistent quality and minimizes waste in the production line. The newly woven fabric is washed to remove dust, loose fibers, and residues from the weaving process, leaving it fresh and clean. The fabric passes through a special softening treatment that enhances its smooth texture, making it gentle on the skin and ideal for towels and bed linen. The finished fabric is neatly wound into giant rolls and sent to the finishing department, where it will be dyed, cut, and transformed into premium textile products. Large stainless steel dyeing machines are filled with carefully measured dyes. The color, temperature, and timing are precisely controlled to ensure consistent results.
The bamboo fabric slowly moves through the dyeing machines, absorbing color evenly across every fiber. This process creates rich, long-lasting shades.
After dyeing, the fabric is thoroughly rinsed with clean water. This removes any excess dye and helps prevent color fading during future washing.
The wet fabric passes through large industrial dryers. Warm, controlled air removes moisture while protecting the fabric's softness and strength.
The dried fabric travels through heated finishing machines that stabilize its size and shape. This step helps reduce shrinkage after the final products are washed. Automated inspection systems scan every meter of fabric for color consistency, stains, holes, or weaving defects. Only flawless fabric moves forward. Flawless fabric confirmed, moving forward to the next stage. The finished fabric is rolled into large bundles and delivered to the cutting department, where it will soon become soft bamboo towels, bed sheets, pillowcases, and other premium home textiles. The cut fabric pieces move to high-speed sewing machines. Strong, neat stitches finish the edges, preventing fraying and ensuring long-lasting durability. For towels, additional stitching creates reinforced hems and soft borders. Some premium towels also feature decorative patterns woven directly into the fabric.
We start with precise measurements for the bed sheets. Next, we cut and fold the pillowcases. The duvet covers are stitched with care. Every product is assembled to meet standard sizes.
The automatic labeling machine attaches brand tags, care labels, and size information. The brand tag applicator precisely attaches the brand tag. Next, the care label applicator adds the care label. Each product receives the correct identification before moving to the next stage. Before packaging, every towel and bed linen set undergoes a final inspection. Workers and automated cameras check for stitching quality, fabric defects, correct size, and overall appearance.
Seams are secure.
Dimensions of product, fab ready for cust clear. Each product is carefully folded and placed into protective plastic bags or recyclable paper packaging. This keeps the fabric clean, fresh, and protected during storage and transportation. Industrial printers apply barcodes, product labels, batch numbers, and shipping details to every carton, making inventory management and tracking fast and accurate. Forklifts transport the wrapped pallets to waiting trucks or shipping containers. From here, the products begin their journey to warehouses and retail stores worldwide.
After an incredible manufacturing journey, the soft bamboo towels and luxurious bed linen arrive in homes around the world, ready to provide comfort, durability, and everyday luxury.
Choose to be vibrant. Choose to